Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate secure SSH configuration with SSHD settings, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have administrative access to your server. Log into your server using SSH as a user with root privileges. Open your SSH configuration file using your preferred text editor. The configuration file is typically located at /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Make a backup of the original configuration file. Use the command cp/etc/sshd_config/etc/ssh/sshd_config.boc. Locate the line that begins with permit root login. Change this line to permit root login no to disable root login. Find the line that starts with password authentication. Change this to password authentication no to disable password-based authentication. Look for the section that mentions challenge response authentication. Set this option to no as well. Next, ensure that pubkey authentication is set to yes to enable key-based authentication. Add or verify the line allow users followed by your desired usernames for SSH access. Now, switch to a secure SSH port by locating and modifying the line that starts with port. Change the default port, which is 22-foot, to a custom port number. After making your changes, save and exit the text editor. Test the SSH configuration for syntax errors by running SSHDT. If there are no errors, proceed to restart the SSH service. Use the command system to restart SSHD to apply your changes. If you change the SSH port, update your firewall settings accordingly. Allow traffic to your new SSH port by using your firewall configuration tool. Finally, try connecting to your server using the new settings. Use the SSH command with the specified port to verify your secure configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.